Okay, you can probably remember that one piece that I did. This is kind of a hand-dyed cloth. I actually kind of scrunched it up and dipped it in indigo. It was already dyed with onion skins. But any kind of interesting cloth can make a whole cloth base. And you can see I've started using this double running stitch to go over the drawn lines that I had put there in my first post there about bases. And you know, this was actually you know, invisibly based very minimally, because I decided that I was going to stitch in between on the grid here. You know, if you notice here, this stitch is also reversible. It does make a great quilting stitch. The only thing you have to remember is not to pull too tight, because you've got two stitches going on, and you don't want to scrunch it up too much unless that's what you're looking for. So this is my start on the whole cloth. I'll complete the grid and then start putting some things on here.